In this video, I go through the shift sequence on a B&M Ratchet shifter in my Mopar with a 727 automatic transmission and a manual valve body. Alright, so I wanted to show you what the shift sequence looks like using a B&M Ratchet shifter. Alright, so the car's in park. My numbering is kind of faded, but that's park, reverse, neutral, first, second, and third. And I have a reverse manual valve body in the transmission. So what that means is that you have to shift the transmission. There's no automatic shifting involved from first, second, and third. There's no kick down linkage, there's nothing like that. So you have to physically shift the car. Alright, so we're in park. To go into reverse, we simply pull back the handle and let it go. The car is now in reverse. Pull it back and let it go again. We're now in neutral. Pull it back again. We're now in first gear. Pull back again, second. Again, we're in third. So that's all pretty simple going in this direction. Now let's go back the other way. We're going to downshift into second. If I need to go into first, I'm going to downshift into first. By the way, I never shift into first gear at any kind of speed. The only time I'll use third to second to downshift to slow the car down, but I'll never use second to first because it's just too low. So what I do is I only go from second to first when I'm almost at a complete stop. Okay, to go to neutral, just push forward and let it go again. Now if we want to go into reverse or park, it's locked out. So if I shift this, you can see the lever doesn't move forward. The only way to get it to move forward is to deactivate the lockout. Now it goes up into reverse, and now it goes into park. So hopefully this was a helpful video if anybody was curious on how the shifting sequence looks like using a B&M Ratchet shifter. I'm actually very happy with this shifter. It feels good. It's aesthetically pleasing to the eye, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody that is interested in using it. It's very simplistic to use. There's a cable that goes to the transmission. So hopefully that was helpful to anyone that was kind of curious how the B&M shifter looks and feels and how it shifts through the gears. And if you found this video useful at all, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, like button, and of course feel free to subscribe. Everybody is welcome to join.